Hello guys, welcome to grade 10 chemistry. So in this video we are doing the stoichiometry and the mole concept. So I want to start with the mole. So we need to define what is the mole. The mole is the amount of chemical substances that contains as many elementary entities. These elementary entities that we mean atoms, molecules, ions, etc. So we're saying is the amount of chemical substances that contains as many elementary entities. E.g. atoms, molecules, ions, etc. So this is what we call the mole. So we can calculate number of moles in solids, liquids, and gases, or we can do the combined ones. So we work with some formulas. So let me break these formulas into three categories. First category being for solids, the other one for liquids, and the other one is for gases. So let's start with moles in liquids, in solids. For this one, to calculate number of moles in solids, we use the formula N is equal to number of moles over molar mass. Solid mass is M over molar mass. So this is molar mass. Others can use MR. So we're saying N, where N represents number of moles. M represents mass. Then MR is the molar mass. So we can use, for you to memorize this formula, you can use the triangle, which is like this, where we have mass, number of moles, times MR. So what it means here, if you want to calculate number of moles, you close N, then your formula will be number of moles is equal to M over MR. If you want to calculate MR, it's mass over number of moles. If you want to calculate mass, it's number of moles times MR. So we need M is equal to number of moles times MR. Then MR is equal to mass over number of moles, mass over MR. So let's have examples of this formula. Let me say example. Calculate number of moles in 5 grams of A, magnesium, B, it's sodium oxide, C, sodium chloride. So what we do here for the first question, we check the mass number of magnesium. Magnesium has a mass number of 24. So number of moles of magnesium. So A is equal, number of moles is equal to mass over mR. Its mass is equal to, it's 5 grams. Its mR is 24. So 5 over 24, we divide that one. If we can leave it like that, or you can express it as a decimal by dividing 5 over 24. Let us see what is the answer. It's 0.21 moles. Then B is sodium. So number of moles sodium oxide is equal to mass over mR. So we check its mass. Its mass is 5 grams over, but we don't know its molecular mass. So what we need to do, how many molecules? We have 2 molecules, 2 atoms of sodium here. So we say 2 open bracket, the mass number of sodium, which is equal to 23. Then plus, we have oxygen. We find the mass number of oxygen, which is 16. Then we get the answer. The answer is 0.08 moles. Then C, number of moles of sodium, 5 grams in 5 grams of sodium chloride. So sodium chloride, its mass number, I'm not repeating the formula, its mass number is 23 for sodium, plus for chlorine is 35.5. So this is 23 plus 35.5. Then the answer is equal to 5 over it's 0.085 moles. So this is how we calculate number of moles in sodium in solids using the formula number of moles is equal to M